Welcome back to my dear students. So today it is very important topic we are going to discuss. So this is a poem written by Praveen Kumar. So dear students, so in the previous class we have already discussed about justice above self, right? So it is a lesson about the justice. So as I already told you that, so in these days justice is, so we forgot the justice. We are always doing what we are always doing the things what it gives the happiness to us. Okay, so we forgot the morality and we forgot our life values. Okay, so but still the poet Praveen Kumar remembering us the value of the justice, the happiness of the justice. So when we get the justice for a particular thing, so it gives more happiness, right? And it gives us a satisfied life. So let us see what Praveen Kumar told us about the justice. So before going to the poem, so first I will give the introduction of the poet Praveen Kumar. Okay, poem Justice. Praveen Kumar. Praveen Kumar. So he is the poet of this poem Justice. Okay. Praveen Kumar, a bilingual poet born in Mangalore on June 29 of 1949 to Sri R.D. Suvarna and Srimati B. Sarojini, has more than 3 decades of government service as a senior police officer. A poet of 23 published collections of an author of 5 volumes on matters of governance and administration. He is a familiar face in Indian intellectual circuits. He presently lives in Bangalore with his family. Stemming from his varied academic background are the lively, far-reaching interests that have impelled him to write in subjects as diverse as matters of public interest and poetry, striking a perfect balance between the pursuance of vocation and evocation. He has been a regular contributor to many national diaries, periodicals and journals. His articles have been extremely popular and often sensational by their innovative and unorthodox thoughts. His published works include Policing for the New Age, Policing the Police, Indian Police and Inside India in Prose and Unknown Horizons, Portraits of Passion, Simply Yours, Love and Pride, Shobha Priya, Golden Wonder and Celestial Glow in Poetry. His published works in Kannada are Divya Belaku, Bhavana, Priya Chaitra, Tapaswini, Ananya Priya Lavanya, Priya Geetegalu and Tapaswini. Okay, Praveen Kumar, he is a police officer and he knows the value of the justice. In every case, there is a wrong and there is a truth. In every cases, he saw in his life so many cases maybe, and so he knows directly about the value of the justice. So some people can get the justice and some failures. Okay, so here the poet Praveen Kumar, he describes the justice about his own words. Okay. Praveen Kumar, justice begotten in exchange is no justice, for exchange is trade. A distressing gain through loss, justice is inherent right. Though wrapped in black packs in dark hall of race for survival, like gold strains bound in mud till exploited, she is cool like ice and still like rock. No easy roads to charm her soul, while hardship makes her no more justice. Why justice is shaken to greed and bribe, why justice is fished out from popular mood, lost in thick jungle jungle in lightless night, like rat caught in the sack of death, like deer caught in lion's lair. She never reaches self by herself. Justice with no heart for truth. Justice with no dash for right cause. Is justice dead indeed? So he was asking us, is justice is living or dead? So let's see. Justice is begotten, in exchange is no justice. So here begotten means God earned. So justice is not a, so it is not a trade, okay, to get the money, to sell the justice, it is not a trade. So justice is not a thing to get, okay. Justice is a morality, justice is a truthness, okay. So it has some values and it has some morality and it has something which we cannot see. It is a rightful thing, okay. So the poet is telling us that justice is not begotten, is no justice begotten in exchange is no justice. To exchange for us, so we will give the money and they will give us the so justice. That is not a justice. They will give us the right. That is result, okay. So if it is right or wrong, so if you have the money, so if you did something wrong, if you have the money, then justice is yours, okay. They will get the justice by giving money. So it is not a trade by getting the justice by giving the money. So the poet Praveen Kumar is telling us, for exchange is trade. So we will exchange the money. So we will get the things, get some chocolates or get some things. Okay. So in replay, so we will give money for that. Okay, for that thing. But here justice is not a trade to exchange. Okay, for exchange it is not a trade. Justice is inherent right. Justice is everyone's right. So we can get. It is a right. It is a human right. If it is wrong, if it is right, we can get. If it is wrong, so we just leave it. Okay. Next. Though wrapped in black packs in dark hall of race for survival, like Goldsteins bound in mud till exploited. So justice is, it is in a wrapped, means it is wrapped in a gold, in a black packs. So we can just keep the justice in the black cover, wrapped black cover in dark hall of race for survival. For survival, for the reason of survival, we will so kept the justice in the dark hall, like Goldsteins bound in mud. So like the gold steins bound in mud. So the gold, valuable things are within the mud or within the so unthinkable way. So they are in our, so just they are in our imaginary things, right? So the justice is also, it is beyond us. Till it is exploited. Exploited means unearned. Okay, so it is till exploited. It is in a safe place, but still it was exploited. She is cool like ice. She is very cool, right? If you can see, so you can see that. So justice is, so ನ್ಯಾಯ ದೇವತೆ ಹೇಗಿರ್ತಾಳೆ? ಸೊ ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಕಪ್ಪು ಬಟ್ಟೆಗಳನ್ನ ಕಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಏನು ತಕ್ಕಡಿಯನ್ನ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಿಂತಿರ್ತಾಳಲ್ವಾ? So she is like, so she is cool like ice. She is very cool. She has some patience. Okay, with the patience, she is standing like cool ice and still like rock. But still, her soul is very so rock. It is like rock. She is simply looking but her soul is solid. That means rock. No easy road to charm her soul, while hardship makes her no more justice. So it is not an easy road to get the justice. It is very difficult to get the justice. If it is the right thing, you can easily get the justice. If it is wrong, so she is like her, so it is very hard to get the justice. Okay. Why justice is shackled in greed and pride? So why justice is chained? So we chained up the justice, right? We chained up the justice. Why we chained up? Because for our survival. So if justice is everywhere, justice is there in our nation, so there is no corruption, there is nothing is happened in our country. So our country is also become a developed country. So there is a corruption, there is a injustice is happened here, so injustice is happened here, so that we are so living like this. Okay. Lost in thick, why justice is fished out from popular mode? So justice is not in the popular mode. Everything is popularized. Okay, everyone is popularized everything, but justice it is in a dark mode. Still it is in a dark mode. Why? So the poet is asking, lost in thick jungle of lightless night, like rat caught in the sack of death. Okay, sack means a large bag. Okay, so justice is lost in the thick means a big forest. Okay, a number of trees, a big forest. So justice is, so it was hiding in the thickest forest. Okay. Next, lightless night. In the light, it cannot come out of that night, out of that darkness. It is always in the darkness. It is always in the thickest forest. Like rat caught in the sack of death. The sack means a large bag. Sack. So it is in the sack of the death. Okay. Like deer caught in lion's lair. So resting place. So like a deer. So when it is in it is near the lion. So what it happens? It is easy. The lion, it is easily can eat the deer. So like that, justice is there. She never reaches self by herself. She never herself, she cannot reach the reality. She cannot reach the truthness. Justice with no heart for truth. So for the truth, justice don't have the heart. Okay. Justice with no dash for right cause. Short means it is a race. Justice, it is not for the right cause. Is justice dead indeed? So still it is a dead or live. So the poet is asking us, is justice is there or not? So I will asking you that. So I am asking you that. So is justice is there in your experience? So you don't have much experience, but still, so you can see the current affairs, right? So daily life, there is so much of correction, so much of rights are happening. So only because of justice, it is in a dark room. They kept the justice in the dark room. Everyone is enjoying their life with the corruption. So because the justice is not with the reality. Justice is with the person who have lots of money. So this is the poem Justice. Hope you understand. Thank you, dear students.